Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download WhatsApp on Android step by step. For that, the first thing that you must ensure that your Android phone is Android 5 or above. For that, what you can do is head over to the settings on your device. After you've headed over to settings, you can scroll down and then hit About Phone. Here, scroll down again and hit Software Information. Here you will see the Android version of your phone. This phone is running on Android 16, so we are good to go. What you can do next is head over to the Play Store on your device, search for Play Store in your search bar of your app drawer. Hit Play Store. You must be logged into your Google account. After you've been logged into your Google account, you will see a profile icon at the top right of your screen. Now what you can do is head over to the search bar, and then in the search bar, you can simply type in WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, and then tap on Install right next to WhatsApp. Do ensure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space before trying and installing WhatsApp on your device. After you have installed WhatsApp, you can simply tap on Open to open the app. Here you can hit Agree and Continue, Allow, choose your country, enter your phone number, hit Next, enter the OTP sent to you by WhatsApp, and then you'll be able to log in to WhatsApp. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.